Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, on Friday after the news, we got to see a big candle on the chart of gold. But as the chart of gold is under the dominance of sellers, influence of sellers, the market could not climb much. And we also saw immediate selling as well. Ultimately, gold closed at 1921. This is the last traded price of gold. So if you look at the overall chart of gold, then we can clearly see that though market was trying to go up, but still the trend of the market is very much towards the downside. And if you look at the chart of DXY US dollar index, then as discussed, DXY broke the previous resistance of 102.80, which was quite expected, and DXY closed at 102.86. Fundamentals are pushing DXY towards the upside, as a result of which trend reversal is also very much possible. Market opening will be very important for DXY. There's a high chance that DXY will try to take support around the previous resistance. Yes, previous resistance will become the support here. In case previous resistance fails to become support here, do not think that sell is coming, because DXY will try to form a higher low here. Forming a higher low means that there is an indication of a trend reversal like this. Okay, so the next low of DXY will be very important, and there's a high chance that we are going for a trend reversal on the chart of DXY. And if you look at the daily chart of gold here, then we can see that market is respecting our Fibonacci levels. Yes, we are back to our beloved favorite Fibonacci here. So market bounced from the Fibo 61.8% retracement here. And if we observe the chart carefully, then we can see that more or less market has respected each and every Fibonacci level. And on Friday also, market tried to bounce from here. So we have a support around 1910 level from the Fibo 61.8% retracement level. On Monday, due to high selling pressure, if market breaks 1910 level, then a good amount of selling will come, and you can expect the market to hit 1863. Because you can see that if market breaks 1910 level, we do not have any strong immediate support. 1900 is there as psychological support, being a round number, but technically we do not have any strong support on the chart of gold below 1900 level. So if market breaks Fibo 61.8% retracement here, then it will head towards the next level of 1863. So 1863 you can also consider as the next big support. And moreover, we can see that 200 moving average is also coming to the same area. So 1910 will be very important, and below 1910 we can look for a swing trade. So for gold also, the market opening will be very important, and to understand the market better, we need to switch to the 1 hour time frame. On Friday we saw sharp price rejection around 1937 level. So as a result, we can expect that the previous price rejection level will still act as a resistance, or still it is an area where sellers are present. As a result, 1937 to 1940 is the first resistance or first logical resistance on the chart of gold. Usually we don't get to see much volatility during the first half of Monday. In that case, if market tries to go high also, up also, you can expect that market will definitely face some selling pressure around 37.40. If you see the market is struggling around this area, market is showing price rejection from above, you can definitely click on the sell button. In case market breaks this level, your next level will be 1946 to 1947. This is the second resistance on the chart here. We are considering 1937, 1940 because of previous price rejection, as well as Fibo 38.2% retracement level. In addition to that, you can also see the same level has acted as support many times. So 1937.40 is a good resistance on the chart of gold. And 1946-47 because of Fibonacci 50% retracement level. Along with that, previous support around this area, previous support will be acting as resistance. So these two are the resistances on the chart of gold if gold shows upside on Monday. On the other hand, if you see that right after the market opening, gold is weak, gold is going down, and if gold breaks 1916 level, yes, 1916 level, we can look for a quick selling opportunity if we see that gold side of the candle is good enough, big red candle. Okay, you can look for a quick sell below 1916 and you can book your profit around 1912 to 1913. It can be a quick trade of 25-30 pips, but still good enough. Do we have any strong support on the chart of gold? No, we don't have any strong support on the chart of gold. The previous low of 1910 is present on the chart, but is this a good support? Do we have strong buyers around 1910? Obviously no, we don't have any strong buyers around 1910 level, because the structure of the market is not very positive. In this present structure of the market, though 1910 is the previous low, but it is not a proper support on the chart. So it depends on the volatility of the market. Probably you guys have heard me saying many times that volatility of the market plays a big role. So if the volatility of the market is low on Monday, if you see that market is going down but the size of the candles are quite small, not big, it means that market does not have volume. See, to break 1910 level or to break any level, whether it's a gold, euro, USD, Apple, Tesla, doesn't matter. Okay, to break any level, market requires volume. If volume is absent in the market, then you can expect that that it will be a false breakout, and you can more or less expect that the level will grow. So on Monday, if you see that market is going down but there is not much volume, you can expect 1910 to act as the support. But if you see that market is going down with candles like this, then obviously the support will not work and market will break 1910 level. So the volatility of the market will decide whether this will be the support or not. But logically, technically, this is not an ideal support on the chart of gold right now. Let's wait and watch how the market reacts on Monday, and market opening will be important. Let's wait and watch. I'll update on Monday as well. And this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Enjoy the weekend with your friends and family, and please be careful with your trades. My dear friends, world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again. I conduct these workshops in both Hindi and English language. Separate classes are conducted for Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop. Yes, it's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. You can see here, these are the topics that you'll be learning in 3 days. In 1 month support, I also conduct extra 4 classes. So total 7 classes, and these are the topics for the weekly classes. Everything is mentioned on the website, but I would like to mention that this workshop is not for complete beginners and new traders. If you're struggling with the market, if you're unable to make money, then only you should sign up. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And there is also a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. You can see here 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program. Yes, the workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. After the 3 days class, you will receive all these benefits. And the best part is the fees. You can see here it's only $15. $15 for everything, and rupees 1,000 for Indians. The dates are 5th, 6th and 7th of July for Hindi classes, and for English classes 8th, 9th and 10th. Separate dates, and I record each and every session so that even if you miss, you don't miss anything. Okay. And if you're looking for longer relationship, if you're looking for some personal classes, then you can also sign up for annual membership, semi-annual membership. Okay, available at very affordable cost. If you're frustrated with your trading right now, if you're looking to scale up your game, then definitely you should join the Pro Trader program, or you can definitely check out the Pro Trader program and you won't be disappointed. Okay, so the link is in the description. Everything is mentioned on the website. Bye bye, take care.